I didn't film the forging of this one. I expected it was going to turn out like the other one. But what I did with the other one was, I already had a, you seen at the beginning of the video, I had a pre-drilled hole in there. You know, it was kind of, alright idea, but turned out not to be an excellent idea because it started getting late and the drift wasn't going, the hole punch and drifting through a little bit wasn't working too well. So I had to go to another measure to make the curve type bottle openers. You can like wrap around the other side and pull up kind of deal. I made a few of them. They're my favorite ones to do, but this one right here was actually a challenge. I know it ain't the best one, but I'm gonna try my best to do some more. And this is the first time I actually put, really tried to put anything through steel and use my horn a lot with this. So if you want to do any kind of activities like bottle openers and stuff, and you get a horn, anvil horn, it'll give you some practice. But mine ain't that great. I mean, they only get so much in there, and you got to get this steel hot or it's not going to cooperate with you. First it was doing raggedy and losing heat real quick because it's a mild steel, real mild steel. This is like kind of put on like a tack on a trailer gate or something like that. But I think it turned out well. I'm gonna try it out tomorrow at lunchtime. Give me a bottle, see if it'll pop open. I'm gonna try the other one too. So I had that recorded, a little demo. But I think it'll work since it still hasn't lit. But it's kind of rough because the punch I had to make that had a hole in it, and then I had to take another one, and as you can tell, I hit a couple of areas right there. But I think it'll work. I don't do nothing fancy with it, but the next ones I'll do a little fancy, maybe some designs in the area right here, put a hole down here for the keychain. I still might do the hole. But this will go in my box of they're kind of fails because mainly not really fails, and this is learning experience on how to work with a little piece of steel such as this to make a bottle opener or whatever you want to make. I could probably make a knife, little demo knife out of this, draw it out, make a little knife handle on it. So I plan on doing some more stuff with that little bit of steel. I got about 4 more pieces. My boss will probably let me have some more. We don't use this at work. We just have them in a box. So he might let me have a few more to try out. Try some more things out with them. But bottle opener looks like one, but it's kind of deformed up. But it can have a little bit more profile and refining and stuff like that. But we're gonna test it out here tomorrow, and I'll let you know how it does.